going to start right in this area here. A lot of people bypass this because they're getting on the water quick, but we've caught quite a few pickerel in this spot, so we're going to take advantage of this spot. Well, I was hoping we weren't going to experience many problems today, but it turns out I'm running into some trouble with my rear fish finder. It's powering up everything, but as soon as I go to look at my information and I push exit to basically get that going, it just basically shuts down on me. It's kind of, well, I'm not even going to say kind of disappointing. It is disappointing. And we're here on my bass tracker, and no catches as of yet, but we are seeing a lot of muskie jumps, and that's always real super fun to see. This is a weird lake. This is one of those ones where you start hitting areas where you want to do bank fishing, and first thing you know, you start seeing some muskies jump, and you start making your way over to open water to see if you can't get something, get a muskie to get interested in your bait. But we're going to get back to the banks where we know we've had success in the past. We've been fishing for quite a while now, and we haven't really caught much. Haven't caught anything, actually. I spoke to a couple other guys on the lake. They've had a few catches, but not very many either. Kind of always eyeball, see what they're fishing with, and I saw a lot of spinnerbaits. So I decided to switch back away from spinnerbait because of the fact so many of them were fishing with that. So don't worry, I just got hooked into some weeds. So I decided to go back with the underspin with the swim bait. So we haven't been on any fish yet, the back Helix 7, and for some reason it seems to be working okay. Kind of strange, I really don't know why. It's been pretty windy, kind of tough to keep the boat in certain spots. I haven't caught anything yet, no bites. Switching over to chatterbait. Noticed a lot of guys pulled off, so maybe I missed the boat, no pun intended, as far as the fishing goes. Most of the guys have pulled off now. I'm the last boat on the water. Yeah, so I'm fishing along, not catching any fish. And then I see a couple of women over here by the ramp, and they're starting to put in some kayaks and some paddle boards. And I'm thinking to myself, Jesus, it's kind of cold. I mean, it's probably 50 maybe. And they're all dressed in like regular clothes, and I'm like, what are they doing? Are they really going out here? The longer I'm watching them, now they're dressed up like witches. So I think they're doing some kind of, I don't know what they're doing. Yeah, they're all dressed up in witches outfits. They're not close enough to me for me to really kind of show you. I'll try to give you a look. I don't know if I can get it or not, but I'll give you a shot of it. That's the beauty of having it on your chest. It doesn't really look like you're recording. It looks like we have 5 women. Kind of attractive, actually. This might be good for us. So if maybe we'll even get permission to record them, and we'll ask them if they want to come on our YouTube channel and see if they want to be on our fishing adventures.
Never thought you'd be interrupted by witches on paddleboards.
I was kind of like, well, but I will say it's pretty windy out there, so be prepared to really paddle. You're gonna really be paddling.
This way, and then
I think you're gonna be going this way, whether you like it or not. Okay. As much as you try, you're still going this way. Yeah.
Somebody else is out there.
Can you get past the boat? Okay. on your way?
But I mean, it's not that far of a walk.
That's our rescue boat, everyone.
I will rescue if you need help. But, well, have fun.
Are there many kids that live in these houses, or is it more adult?
There you go.
On the houses, I think it's more adults.
Yeah.
It wasn't a very good day for fishing. Saw a couple witches out and about. Don't see that too often. It's different. Well, we got to see a few witches and got another guy coming in on the water. But yeah, so no fish today, but that's fishing. Guess the Giants are losing, so that makes sense to be home watching a football game, although I'm not a Giants fan. Go Vikings. And you know, that's what we do. We go out and fish or not. So thanks for watching, guys. I know we didn't catch anything, but you know, that's what happens sometimes. That's fishing.